Please respond me. Is it understanding? So if you understand this,
Yes, sir.
then you can write the next one, that is formation of carbon dioxide molecule. Now we have seen molecule of an art element, correct or not? Now we will go with the molecule of an compound. Okay, so now molecule of an compound, what is this? Formation of carbon dioxide. What is this? Carbon dioxide molecule. Is it okay, guys? CO2. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the carbon valency? Carbon is 6, which is equals to what? 2,4.
2,4.
2,4. So 4 more electrons. How many electrons? 4 more electrons. Correct or not? Electrons needs to become stable in nature. Now oxygen, what is the valency? 8. So 2,6. So 2,6. So K and L. So how many electrons needs? How many electrons?
More electrons.
2 more electrons needs. But carbon needs 4 more. So that how many oxygens will involve? How many oxygens will involve?
2.
2 oxygens. That is, you should remember. So here, so what will happen? Carbon 2, 1 pair of electron, 1 pair of electron, total valency. Sir, don't say, sir, before we have been shown 4 different directions, because their hydrogen is reacting. Understanding? That is why 4 different directions. Now, oxygen is reacting. So that only 2 sides. Understand, everybody? Please respond.
Yes,
That is. So, we'll react with oxygen. So, oxygen what? Oxygen is having how many electrons? 6 electrons.
6, sir.
So, and 2 oxygen is required here. How many oxygens is required? 2 oxygen. Because 4 electrons is needed. So that is why. So middle, who will be there? Middle, who will be there? Carbon. Correct?
Carbon.
This side oxygen and this side oxygen. So oxygen, 2 pairs are unpaired shares. 2 pairs are unpaired shares. And middle, who will be there? 2 pairs are shared pairs. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can check it. This oxygen will feels it is having 8 electrons. You can check it. This oxygen feels it is having 8 electrons. This carbon will feels what? Carbon will feels it is having 8 electrons. Correct, Amma? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Carbon will feels it is having 8 electrons, and this oxygen also will feels what? It is having 8 electrons. Correct, guys?
8 electrons. Yes,
So
sir.
that is what it is. So or else we can represent with what? Or how we can represent?
Double bond. We can represent it
Double bond, and this side and that side, who will be there?
Oxygen.
Birds. Are you clear, guys? Any doubt means kindly ask. Respond. Kevin, Ashika, Bhumika, Yalni. That is. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Clear, Akshaya? Okay. Write it. Do it. That is. Understand, everyone? Right. Next one. You have to try. Everybody, if you try now itself, then exam no need to worry. Directly you can find that double bond or single bond and everything. So formation of ethene molecule. Ethene, E-T-H-E-N-E, ethene molecule. So can you guess what is the ethene molecule? Next, second simplest hydrocarbon. Second simplest hydrocarbon. Anybody? Humaira? Dileepan? Akil Arfan? Please respond. Arun Karthikeyan? Can you guess? So ethene, second the smallest hydrocarbon, C2H4. What is this? C2H4. Please respond. That is. So now let us see this one. So all of you please respond how it will be possible. So carbon. What is the carbon? Carbon how? What is the value? Speak, yaar. 6, 2,4. So 4 more electrons. Why I should say everything, yaar? Are you the guys or kids? Simply people are sitting. 4 electrons needs to become stable. Same way, hydrogen. So hydrogen, how many?
One, sir.
One. So
One, sir.
only
More
one.
needed, sir.
So one more is needed. One more needs to become stable in nature. Correct? So, but here I have given what is the formula? Formula, if you don't know, exam, that's
Carbon 2, sir, and hydrogen 4.
two carbons and four hydrogens. So here one double bond is forming. Have you noticed it? One double bond and remaining all are single bond. How, sir? Observe very carefully. So how many carbons are taking? How many carbons are taking? Two carbons.
Sir,
No.
Or-
So carbons reacting with how many hydrogens? How many hydrogens I'm asking? Four hydrogens. Please respond. Four hydrogens. Guys, four hydrogens will give you, observe very carefully. So carbons, how many carbons? First you should write like this. How many carbons?
2,
How many
sir.
Carbons.
carbons? So in between carbon, they will share four electrons and the remaining each electron, you can see carbon valency 4, this carbon valency also 4. So here one more hydrogen will come, here one more hydrogen will come, here one more hydrogen will come, and here one more hydrogen will come. Do you understand, guys? Now are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is you have to understand. So now how it will come compound single bond, tell me. So C double bond C, what is this? C double bond C. So here two hydrogens and here two hydrogens. Are you clear, everybody? Are you try to understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Now bonds, 8 bonds satisfying, check it, 8 electrons are satisfying.
Yes, sir, satisfying, sir.
4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Next this side, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So that is. Are you clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Write it. This is what the double bond. If you have any doubt, you can kindly ask me. Now, if you'll understand this one, this is what the double bond formation. Now let us go for triple bond. What is this? Triple bond. Triple bond. So now you should tell me, triple bond means how many electrons will involve? Triple bond means how many electrons will
Three
involve?
pair of electrons.
Six electrons. Six electrons.
Understanding? So
Three
totally
pair of electrons.
triple bond means
Pair of
pair
electrons.
of
Six
electrons.
electrons, sir.
Pair of electrons. So 3 pair of electrons means how many electrons, Yalni?
6, sir.
Six,
So
sir.
pair means two, which is equals to 6 electrons. Is understanding? Kindly understand, everybody. How many electrons is
Yes,
involved?
sir.
Madhumita?
6 electrons.
6
Six
electrons.
electrons are
Karthikeyan, you are only my problem. Arya, you also. Akshaya, Yalni, Bhumika. Bhumika is not there. Bhumika, are you there? Rashika. Okay. Triple means 6 electrons is needed. So each electron. So how to represent? One pair of electron is with one bond. Next, second pair of electron with a single next bond. So 3 pair of electrons means how? 3 lines we can represent. How many? 3 lines. This is the symbol of triple bond. What is this? Symbol of triple bond. Correct? Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashika, I know.
Yes, sir.
I'm seeing Bhumika also. Yes, do it. This is the triple bond. Any doubt, Nitish? Nitish, are you having doubt in this? Here? That's all. So now, triple bond. So now, let us start with the example. Example, first one. Formation of nitrogen molecule. What is this? Formation of
Nitrogen.
nitrogen molecule. So nitrogen molecule of an element or compound? Molecule of an
Element, sir.
element. So N2, nitrogen of a molecule, that is N2. So now what is the nitrogen atomic number? 7. Correct? So electronic configuration is 2,5. So how many electrons is needed to become stable in nature? To become stable in nature?
3 more, sir.
Correct or not? 3 electrons more to become stable in nature. So how many nitrogens will involve? How many nitrogens
3
will involve?
nitrogen.
3 nitrogens will involve. So only understanding. So if you'll observe, triple bond, 3 electrons will be there plus one more nitrogen, which is having 3 electrons one side and 2 electrons one side. Triple bond, triple bond. So they will combine together. So how it will come, Ra? So unpaired electrons will be there, unshared pair of electrons, and middle how many electrons each, Ra? How many electrons? 3 electrons.
3.
Understand? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So now R I can represent. How I can represent R? N and N. Middle how many bonds?
Triple bond.
N and N. So this is indicating unpaired share of shared electrons, unshared electrons. So triple bond. Okay, guys.
Triple bond.
Understand?
Yes,
Ra?
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is-
Yes, sir.
Now, any doubt means ask me. Each nitrogen sharing how many electrons? Ashika?
Sir,
What-
please hold on, sir.
Yeah, I will scroll down. So this is. So all of you do it. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Arya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. Dina, understand Dina?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Next. Second example. Formation of ethane molecule. Anybody can say? Formation of ethane molecule. What is the formula? Formation of
C2H4. C2H4. C2H4, sir.
ethane molecule. Ethane molecule. C2H2. What is that? Fourth chapter, carbon and its compounds. Next chapter we will study ethane, ethene, ethine. Understanding? Have you seen it? Single bond ethane we have studied. Yes or no? Or else methane you have been studied. Methane you have been studied. Correct? Second one, single double bond ethene I taught just now. And third one, ethine. So hydrogens, 2 hydrogens are decreasing. Have you noticed it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Yes, sir.
So next carbonates compounds we will study that. It's okay, but anyhow you will remember this, all of you. So now I will say you ethane. Remember all of you C2H6. Okay, ma. Next ethene C2H4, ethine C2H2. This is you should remember. So 2 hydrogens will keep on decreasing. This is what we should call as ethane. Understanding? Next, this is ethene. Next, this is ethine. So first one, all are single bond only. I understand, Amma? All are single bond only. Okay, 1 double bond. Next one, ethene, 1 double bond, remaining 2 single bonds. So next one here, 1 triple bond and 2 single bonds. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is you should remember. So please all of you write. Now everybody write it. Formation of ethane. Write it, Ra. Do you understand now? Ethane, ethine. Understand, Ra? All are single bond here. All are single bond here. 1 double bond here. 1 triple bond. Is it okay, guys? That is the difference. Understand, Ra? Now let us write. So ethene is a covalent compound made up of how many carbons, Ra? 2 carbons and 2 carbon atoms. And how many hydrogen atoms? 2 hydrogen atoms. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. Nobody will respond. Okay.
Yes,
So now it is involving 2 carbon atoms. 2 carbon atoms involving with the 2 hydrogens. That's all. So which will give you very simple. So 2 carbons. So middle triple bond. So here hydrogen and here also hydrogen. Middle how many bonds, Ra? Triple bond. How many bonds? Triple bond.
Triple bond.
That is. So I can represent with like this. E triple bond C. Opposite side what will come, Ra? bond hydrogen, single bond hydrogen. Is it okay, guys? Everybody understand? So this is what you should C2H, ethane molecule. Any doubt means you please ask me.
No doubt, sir.
So this ethane also we can call it as an exam to confuse you all people. They will give you like this also. So ethane is also called as acetylene. What is this? Acetylene or ethane is both are same. Is it okay, guys? So in exam, so this all we will study in actually chapter 4, but here carbonates compounds actually will study this all, but here it is important only. Do you understand, Ra? Everybody? So that is you have to understanding, everybody. So now if we'll see the structure, this is one carbon atom and this is one carbon atom. It will take, so middle triple bond will be there. Who will be there? Triple bond will be there, and this side, who will be there, Ra? Who will be there? Small. So that is hydrogen atom and hydrogen atom. Is it okay, guys? This is carbon, and this is what? Hydrogen and hydrogen. Is it okay, da? Everybody? This is the structure.
Yes, sir.
So that is, so this middle big one is representing carbon and small one is representing hydrogen. Any doubt, Ra? Clear? This is. So this is all about it. So with this, I will stop the today's class. Then tomorrow we will go with the properties of ionic compounds as well as covalent compounds. That's all. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.